Next I am discussing some diseases in humans and in plants caused by virus. Okay. We know the fact that now we are facing a pandemic condition because of the virus. Then what was the name of the virus? Coronavirus. Okay. It mainly affects our respiratory system. Then you hear the symptoms. Fever, headache, then doesn't feel comfort in breathing. Those are the symptoms of this COVID-19. Okay. Here I am discussing some virus diseases commonly seen in humans. The first one is common cold. Common cold is caused by rhinoviruses. Common cold is caused by rhinoviruses. The next one, smallpox. Causative, the virus name is pox virus. Smallpox, the virus name is pox virus. Next is rabies. Then the virus name is rabies virus. Next one is infectious hepatitis. Hepatitis occurs in different ways. Okay, so one type is infectious hepatitis caused by hepatitis virus. Then the next one, measles. So measles virus. Measles. The next is poliomyelitis. The disease name is poliomyelitis. Polio virus. Next is influenza virus. Next is encephalitis virus. Next one is mumps virus. Common cold, jaladosham, rhinovirus. Smallpox, vasuri, pox virus. Rabies, pipette vishabada. Okay, I heard about that. That is rabies virus. Then infectious hepatitis virus. Measles, anjampani, measles virus. Poliomyelitis, the disease condition is polio. Then next is influenza, jwaram, influenza virus. Okay. Then we are discussing the diseases of plants. So the common plant viral diseases are tobacco mosaic disease. What is mosaic? Mosaic use the flooring in earlier times we are doing flooring with mosaic. Okay, so mosaic contain different patches of colors of stones. That is mosaic. So the tobacco mosaic virus means the mosaic disease effect on the plant. Which plant? Tobacco. That is tobacco mosaic disease. It is caused by tobacco mosaic virus. The next is potato leaf roll. The curling or the rolling of the potato leaf. It is caused by potato leaf roll virus. The next one is tomato leaf curl. Caused by tomato leaf curl virus. Got it? So these are the three diseases of plants. Which one? Tobacco mosaic virus. Then potato leaf roll virus. Then next is tomato leaf curl virus. Have you heard about the disease or the pathogen swine flu, pannipani, and the bird flu, pakshipani? Okay, these two also caused by the virus. Bird flu, avian flu. Birds are otherwise known as aves. This bird flu is caused by the virus H5N1. And swine flu. Swine flu is caused by H1N1 virus. Got it? Here, bird flu caused by H5N1 and the swine flu which is caused by H5N1. Bird flu H5N1 and the swine flu H1N1. bird flu H5N1 and the swine flu is H1N1. Okay, so these are the some diseases of the viral diseases. Viruses, the Latin term that means toxin, the toxin means poisonous. It's a submicroscopic particle. It can infect the cells of living organism. The name, the virus given by Louis Pasteur, and the branch which deals with the aspects of virus, that is known as virology. Then we discussed that the features of the viruses and all. The viruses contain a single type of nucleic acid, either DNA or the RNA. Then viruses are obligate parasite. Majority of viruses cause diseases. Then they are generally simple, and the one of the largest viruses, the name of the virus is T4. It contains 77 genes. That's why it is the largest virus. They usually attack a single species, hence host specific. No viruses contain both the RNA and the DNA. Viruses can infect the plant cells and also the animal cells. Okay, so the plant cells infecting viruses having single-stranded RNA. Plant cells infecting viruses always have the single-stranded RNA. And the viruses that infect animal cells have either single or double-stranded RNA or double-stranded DNA. Viruses that infect animals have either single or double-stranded RNA or double-stranded DNA. Please be listen carefully. It is a very important topic. Viruses that infect plants have single-stranded RNA. RNA means RNA stands for, what is RNA? What is the DNA? DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, that is DNA. Then RNA stands for ribonucleic acid. So viruses that infect plants have a single-stranded RNA, and the viruses that infect animals have either single or double-stranded RNA. Clear it is. Then the structure of RNA having a core structure. The core structure is the nucleic acid, and it is covered by a capsid. Again, it is combined by a nucleocapsid. The core and the capsid together known as nucleocapsid, and again covered by a envelope. Okay, and covered by a envelope, and it also the single repeating subunits of seen in the capsid. Single repeating units of the capsids are known as capsomeres. These are the main structure of the virus. The structure of the virus. Mainly the structure of the virus having core. Core means DNA or RNA. Then they have a protective coat, capsid. Then nucleocapsid means the core and capsid together known as nucleocapsid. And it is covered by a membrane envelope. Okay. Then capsids are often built up of identical repeating units. That is known as capsomeres. Okay. So animal viruses, the host cell is animal cell. For the plant viruses, the host cell is the plant cell. Bacteriophages. Bacteriophages means the virus which infect the bacteria. Virus that infect the bacteria, that is known as bacteriophages. So bacteriophages, the host cell is bacterial cell. Cyanophages, the name indicates that cyanophages, blue-green algae, cyanobacteria. Okay, then phycophages. Phyco means algae, so the viruses infect the algal cell. Then the next is mycophages. Mycophages means fungal cell. Then mycoplasmal viruses. Mycoplasmal viruses means the organism or the fungus infect the mycoplasma. I am telling all these points from your SM. Now I know that now you didn't get the SM. Okay, so please be study this box. Clear?